Hello everyone, I'm Varicorn Kleiklang, CEO and CTO of Unicorn Tech Int. Today I want to talk about more than just software. We're here to discuss a new way of operating. This is Unicorn.bos, a system designed to turn your organization's chaos into an uncopyable strategic asset. We believe that pain should become power, and today I'll show you how to turn every crisis into your greatest advantage. Let's get started. To understand where we're going, we have to look at where we've been. Before DOS, computers were toys for experts, chaotic and inaccessible. Unicorn.bos brings that same revolutionary shift to the modern organization. As you can see in the middle, we've built a translation layer. We take the technical noise, like raw interrupts and logs, and translate them into notifications and incident history that humans can actually use. It's not just another app on your desktop. It is the OS for your business, the layer that enables every application to share a single, unified memory. Think about this. Every time a talented employee leaves your company, a piece of your organization's brain walks out the door with them. We don't have a shortage of data, we have a shortage of memory. Valuable lessons are learned, then forgotten. Best practices are created, then buried in folders. That's exactly why we built Unicorn.bos. We're here to stop your knowledge from being fleeting and start making it a permanent digital asset. With our system, your AI doesn't just store files, it remembers them, giving your team instant access to your company's collective wisdom anytime they need it. Welcome to Knowledge Studio. Think of this as your organization's permanent memory. Greater than, we don't just store data, we strategically orchestrate it. By seamlessly ingesting your information, vectorizing it for AI, and retrieving it with precision, we ensure your team's collective intelligence is always active and ready to use. It's about turning your scattered data into a lasting competitive advantage. Our first step is strategic ingestion, moving your data from static documents to fluid intelligence. We don't just store files, we transform them. Our system supports all major formats and uses auto-chunking to break complex data into digestible thoughts with context overlap. Most importantly, we include human refinement, allowing you to tag and adjust metadata so the AI truly understands your specific business concepts. Next, we move to step 2, committing to memory, or what we call the vector vault. This is where our infrastructure becomes production ready. We use a robust PostgreSQL and PG vector database to handle high-density data. What's truly impressive here is the depth. Each chunk of information is processed across 1,536 dimensions. This means our AI doesn't just scan for keywords, it understands the actual meaning and context. We call this semantic proximity. It's the difference between just finding a word and truly understanding the intent behind a search. This is where the real intelligence kicks in. Step 3 is about connecting the dots. Through graph discovery, we help you visualize those hidden relationships, like seeing how an HR policy might be impacting your sales performance. We combine the meaning of vector search with the precision of keywords. This hybrid approach ensures that our AI doesn't just find the needle, it explains the entire haystack for you. We are moving beyond the chatbot and introducing a true team member. On the left, standard AI is often just a passive tool. It gives generic answers based on dead data or static logs. But with Unicorn.bos, we've built something different. Our AI agents are bound to your specific business logic. They don't just talk, they cite and use active knowledge. Most importantly, every interaction becomes brain food, valuable data that makes your future models even smarter. Many people talk about the future of AI as a dream, but for us, that dream is already reality. What you see here isn't just a concept or a mock-up, it is a live operational pipeline. From batch embedding to our advanced retrieval lab, every system you see is active, optimized, and delivering results right now. We've moved past the what-if phase. We are now in the live phase. Design can be imitated, features can be cloned. But your journey? That's unique. With Unicorn.bos, we don't just store data, we institutionalize your team's collective wisdom. Every crisis you've solved and every insight you've gained becomes a permanent asset. Competitors can copy your UI, but they can never copy your history. Unicorn.bos, your wisdom, locked in forever. To see these solutions in action, we'd love to invite you for a hands-on demo. You can find our office location on Simai Road, or simply reach out to us via the phone number, line ID, or email shown here on the screen. Feel free to visit our website for more details. We're ready to help you integrate the best tech for your business. Finally, let's give your organization a memory that lasts. With our Knowledge Studio, we turn your raw data into real decision-making power. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. We look forward to building something great together. Thank you.